If your kitchen counter always feels cluttered and you're constantly reaching across the stove, trying to grab spices while cooking, you're not alone. That small frustration adds up fast, especially when you're in the middle of preparing a meal and everything feels just slightly out of reach. That's exactly the problem the Foeacry magnetic stovetop shelf is trying to solve. It's designed for home cooks who want a cleaner, more organized cooking space without installing anything permanent. The idea is simple. Use the space behind your stove to store everyday essentials like spices, oils, and small kitchen items, keeping everything within arm's reach. At first glance, the design is minimal but practical. It's a slim, 30-inch shelf made from flexible silicone, with 3 separate compartments built in. The black finish keeps it neutral, so it blends into most kitchens without drawing too much attention. What makes it stand out isn't how it looks, but how it fits. Because it's flexible, it can sit neatly on both flat and slightly curved stove backs, which is something a lot of rigid organizers struggle with. The material itself feels durable but not rigid. It's soft enough to adjust to your stove, but sturdy enough to hold items without sagging. The raised edges are a small but important detail. They help prevent bottles or spice jars from sliding off, especially when things get a little hectic during cooking. It's one of those features you don't think about until you actually need it. Installation is probably the easiest part of the entire experience. There's no setup, no tools, and no adhesive. The built-in magnets hold it in place securely on most metal stove surfaces. You just place it on top, adjust it slightly, and it's ready to use. For renters or anyone who doesn't want to drill or modify their kitchen, this is a big advantage. In everyday use, this shelf does exactly what it promises. It makes your cooking workflow smoother. Instead of opening cabinets or searching for spices, everything is right there behind the stove. That small change makes cooking feel more efficient and less interrupted. It's especially useful when you're working with multiple ingredients and need quick access without stepping away. The heat resistance is another practical benefit. Since it's made from food-grade silicone, it can handle the warmth from your stovetop without warping or becoming unsafe. More importantly, the surface stays relatively cool to the touch, so you're not worrying about accidentally grabbing something too hot. That adds a layer of safety, especially in busy kitchens. Cleaning is also refreshingly simple. If something spills, you can just wipe it down in seconds. And if it gets really messy, you can remove it and rinse it or even place it on the top rack of a dishwasher. It doesn't require special care, which makes it easy to maintain over time. That said, there are a few limitations worth mentioning. The biggest one is the weight capacity. While it holds everyday items like spice jars and small bottles easily, it's not meant for heavier kitchen tools or large containers. Overloading it can affect how securely it stays in place. Also, it relies on a magnetic surface, so if your stove isn't compatible, this won't work as intended. Another thing to consider is space. While it helps free up your countertop, the shelf itself is relatively narrow. You'll need to be selective about what you place on it. It's more about organizing essentials rather than storing everything. Compared to other kitchen organizers in the same price range, this one stands out for its simplicity and flexibility. Traditional spice racks often require drilling or take up counter space, while adhesive options can wear out over time. This avoids both issues by using magnets and a flexible design. Some alternatives offer larger storage capacity, but they usually come with more bulk or installation effort. This strikes a balance between convenience and practicality. So who is this really for? If you have a small or moderately sized kitchen and want to reduce clutter without adding more furniture or shelves, this makes a lot of sense. It's especially useful for people who cook regularly and want their most used ingredients within easy reach. If you're looking for heavy-duty storage or have a non-magnetic stove, you might need a different solution. At the end of the day, the Foeacry magnetic stove top shelf isn't trying to reinvent your kitchen. It just makes it more efficient in a simple, thoughtful way. And sometimes, that's exactly what you need. If you found this helpful, you can like the video, subscribe for more honest kitchen reviews, and check the link in the description if you want to see the latest price or try it out in your own kitchen.